Now, since the release of the Shure MV7 in 2020, it has become the go-to mic for podcasters and streamers who are serious about improving their audio craft. For $250 and the included USB cables, all you need is an extra $20 to get a microphone stand, and then you are all set to go for the best audio that rivals its older brother, the legendary SM7B. Now in 2024, Shure has released an updated MV7, the MV7 Plus. It should do everything its brother does, but is it better? Are there any new features? Should you spend the extra money to upgrade, or if you are new to podcasting, should you just pick up the older MV7 for $30 less? Now we will be reviewing and comparing the two, so let's go. Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome to my channel. I do food, travel, and sometimes a tech review on this channel, helping you to experience something new before spending your own money. Now, if you are new here, consider subscribing. So there is our first test and comparison of the MV7 and MV7 Plus. Now you don't know which mic I'm using, and let's say my left, okay, your right is mic A, and my right, okay, is mic B. All right. Now let me know in the comment which mic sounds better, or if you could even tell the difference. Again, my left is mic A and my right is mic B. Now, which one do you think is mic A is? And which one do you think mic B is? Now, I know in the earlier shot, I have the right setup, one on the other side. I may have switched it. I may have kept the same position right now, okay? And so right now I'm talking right into mic A. Does it sound better? Does it sound better? Now I'm talking right into mic B. Mic B, so very close here. Does it sound better? No, okay. Leave me a comment and let me know which one do you think is sounding better. So this is the setup. My mic A is the older MV7, and mic B, okay, on my right hand side is the newer MV7 Plus. Did you get it right? Or is the new mic model sound any better? All right. Next, I'm going to tell you how I set up this recording that I just showed you. Both the MV7 and MV7 Plus can connect with an XLR cable to an external recorder, but since we want to be budget friendly, we don't want to buy any extra gears to set up. So both microphones are plugged directly into my laptop, and I was recording with an online streaming platform which switched the mic during the recording. But you could also record directly to your computer using apps like the OBS and other supported software. Now, I've been using the MV7 for about 2 years now. What I like about the MV7 is how convenient it is to connect to my iPhone 15 Pros via USB-C and record either audio alone or video in the Motif apps on iOS. The apps are also available on Android. This is how it sounds in short videos I recorded on my professional YouTube channel. What is in your poop? More diverse plant DNA in the poop may actually be bad. Every time you eat, from the fresh salad you had for lunch to the sneaky late night snack, teeny bits of DNA from those food are tagging along. Yes, I am a scientist and pharmacist by training and an associate professor of pharmaceutical science. Now, coming back with both the MV7 and MV7 Plus, they are all supported by the Motif app on iOS, Android, and the Shure Plus Motif on PC or Mac support the MV7, and the newer MV7 Plus requires a newer app called the Motif Mix Desktop. Now, through the Shure Plus Motif app, you can dial in and adjust your audio with the app, or if you are like me who doesn't want to be bothered with the fine-tuning, you could just set it to auto and choose it to be far or near. The new Motif mixed desktop app supports a lot more functions. Now, I have not gotten the time to play and explore the app yet, but if you want me to review the new app, please leave me a comment and let me know. Now, from the look of both mics, they are almost identical. The main difference is the customizable LED sound meter on the MV7 Plus and the slightly longer body and the mic portion, but you will have to put it side by side to see the size difference. You can tap the MV7 to mute and adjust the level, and that's very handy during streaming, but I don't use these functions enough to say they are good or not, but some people say they are too small to tap accurately. Now, the new LED light on MV7 Plus simplifies things and looks good on camera. Now, who doesn't want to be cool and look awesome on camera these days, right? Now, perhaps the most welcoming upgrade in the MV7 Plus is the USB-C port on the back, but it's hardly a life-changing upgrade. I have been connecting my MV7 with a micro USB to USB-C cable since the first day. On the MV7 Plus, it's just a USB-C on both ends. Now, other than that, Shure kept everything else on the outside the same, and the MV7 came in black and silver, and the MV7 Plus doesn't come in silver but has a white option like the one that I have here. Now, according to Shure, the internal or functional addition to MV7 Plus is the built-in thicker pop filter in the foam mic cover there that also make the mic body slightly longer than the older MV7. Now let's do some pop texting, see if it does reduce more. So popcorn, boy, spoon. Well, now let's try out the MV7. Popcorn, spoon, boy. See, does it sound more pop here versus the other one? Let me know in the comment. Now let's look at the downside. Both the MV7 and MV7 Plus are quite heavy and they are not meant for friendly travel. Now that is one of the main reasons I spend the money to buy two of the very similar mic so I don't have to carry it between my office and home. They also don't come with a microphone stand and you have to spend about $20 extra to make it really functional. Now the yoke, okay, on the mic has a standard 5/8 inch thread, so it can screw on to the most mic stands without an adapter. Now Shure sells a combo kit for an extra $20. At the time this video is recorded, the white MV7 Plus does not pack with a combo pack of a desktop stand. It does come with a boom connection if you want to get that combo. Now you could also spend a little bit less with a desktop stand like the one that I have here that I got on Amazon, or you just go buy a third-party boom arm to save desk space, but nevertheless you need something to hold either the MV7 or the MV7 Plus. So the final verdict, if you are new to podcasting and streaming and are serious about your audio quality but don't want the complexity and the cost of the legendary SM7B, then you should just pick up the MV7 in my opinion, for the most budget-friendly and high-quality mic. Now, I honestly don't think you need to upgrade to the MV7 Plus if you already own a MV7, unless you are planning to have a co-host with you on whatever show that you're producing, then you could buy the MV7 Plus as the second mic. Now, if you are like me, who are tired of carrying a heavy mic between places or obsessed with the white color, then go ahead, get the get the white MV7 Plus. Now lastly, this video is not sponsored. I spend my own money on all of the equipment and setup for all the videos that I produce. But if you appreciate the information I provide and decide to shop for your next jig or gear on Amazon, I have all the affiliate links in the description box below. And using the link, you could help me make more videos like this one. That is all for today. Hopefully the video helped you experience something new without spending the money first. Now I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Take good care. Bye.